The ancient path is overgrown. The stones once set by prophets are hidden beneath layers of forgetting. Voices rise from the ruins, not the clamor of rebellion, but the low groan of a people remembering. These laments are not the sound of despair, but the labor pains of return. For Yahweh does not despise the cry that comes from contrite hearts, nor turn his face from those who remember his covenant. And so we come, priests and prophets, sons and daughters, walking barefoot through the ashes, calling out, "Restore us, Yahweh, cause your face to shine again upon your sanctuary. Ask for the ancient paths where the good way is and walk in it. All we like sheep have gone astray. Yahweh, covenant keeper. We remember the words you spoke through the prophets to seek the ancient path, to walk the straight way marked by your commands. But we have wandered among thorns, our feet have trampled covenant stones. We have turned our eyes toward glimmering idols of ease and progress. And the trail of righteousness has dimmed beneath our feet like Daniel in the ruins of Babylon. We confess, we have sinned, we have twisted what was straight, we have strayed from your instruction. The compass of our hearts has spun with the winds of the nations. Our lips have praised you, but our hands have built altars to self-bend low. Yahweh, hear the whisper of those who still remember. Gather your scattered ones, the remnant whose tears fall on dust that once bore your name. Restore the lamp of first love that our hearts may burn again along your ancient way. The city that once shone with praise now sits silent. Its songs are carried away by foreign winds. Where incense once rose, smoke from burned gates now fills the air. We cry, how long, Yahweh, will you forget the inheritance you planted? Will you hide your face from the place where you once set your name? Our altars lie cold, our pulpits echo with hollow words. Our gatherings trade presence for performance, and our priests grow weary beneath the weight of applause. Remember, Yahweh, not for our sake, but for the covenant you swore to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Look upon the stones once chosen for your dwelling. Breathe again upon the desolate places. Tear open the heavens and come down as you did in the days when mountains trembled and hearts bowed low. Let your consuming fire not destroy but purify. Let the nations see again that you alone are Yahweh, Maker, Redeemer, King. In ancient days, elders sat at the gates to judge rightly, to uphold justice, to guard the covenant order of the people. Today the gates take many forms. Courthouses, councils, legislatures, platforms, and screens, places where words shape destinies. When the gates were corrupt, the land groaned. When priests defiled the altar, the people wandered. So now we intercede for both the gates and the altars. Yahweh, stand among the assemblies of men. Let justice roll like waters, let deceit be swept away. Replace arrogance with humility and restore the fear of your name to those who make decrees. Let the watchers of the gates, judges, lawmakers, journalists, and educators remember that words are seeds, and each law a covenant stone. Purify the pulpits of our age, burn away ambition, cleanse the lips of those who speak for you. May shepherds again lead from the tent, not for gain, but for your glory. Raise up prophets who weep more than they speak. Let worship once again be fire that sanctifies, not spectacle that distracts. The exile's dust begins to settle. The fires of judgment fade to glowing embers, and in that silence the wind shifts, the breath of remembrance begins to stir. The people rise, trembling yet hopeful, their faces turn toward the horizon. A new dawn breaks upon the covenant land, soft light glinting on stones once blackened by despair. Come, Yahweh, and breathe again upon your people. Heal the fractures between tribes and tongues. Plant us once more by the streams of your instruction. Let the old songs return, not as nostalgia, but as testimony. Make our lament become seed, our tears the early rain, our obedience the harvest of your kingdom. We lift our eyes toward the hills of your dwelling. You are not far. You are returning as surely as dawn follows night. Where idols have fallen, let the altar of Yahweh burn again. When nations once bowed to pride, let humility rise like incense. Where hearts grew cold, let the covenant fire be stirred anew. For the cry of the righteous remnant has reached heaven's ear, and Yahweh, full of mercy and truth, is bending low once more.